हेलो एवरीवन। ये है एमडीसी इकोनॉमिक्स का सिलेबस। ये सेमेस्टर 1, 2, 3 तीनों के लिए सेम है। तो देखिए, यूनिट 1 इंट्रोडक्शन, यूनिट 2 कंज्यूमर बिहेवियर, यूनिट 3 मनी एंड इन्फ्लेशन और यूनिट 4 में है बैंकिंग। तो ये है इसका सिलेबस। और अब हम लोग देखेंगे PYQs, इसका प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस। तो ये है कुछ प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 वेरी शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस का ए है डिफाइन माइक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स। B. What is the meaning of marginal utility? C. What is the general slope of demand curve? D. What is the primary function of money? E. What is the full form of an ATM? F. Who was the one who coined the term utility? मतलब ये term utility किसने दिया था? G. What is the name of the largest commercial bank in India? H. Which measure of money supply is least liquid? I. What is the term for a situation with high inflation and economic slowdown? J. Who was the RBI governor during demonetization in the year 2016? K. Which bank of the country issued the paper currency? L. Indifference curves was introduced in 1881 by which economist? M. What do you mean by inflation? N. Define law of demand. O. What is the central economic problem? Short questions have question number 2. Explain the law of diminishing marginal utility. 3. Explain the effects of inflation. Question number 4. What is utility? Question number 5. What is the law of supply? अब long questions है. Question number 6. Critically explain nature and scope of economics. 7. Explain the consumer's equilibrium through cardinal utility analysis. 8. Define indifference curve. What are its properties? ये क्वेश्चन रिपीट भी हुआ है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. Define money. Explain the role of money in a capitalistic, socialistic and mixed economy. Question number 10. Explain the various measures to control inflation. Question number 11. Explain the objective and function of the central bank. Question number 12. Discuss the subject matter and methods of economics. Question number 13. Explain ordinal utility analysis. Why is it superior to cardinal utility analysis? Question number 14. ये क्वेश्चन रिपीट हुआ है, देख लीजिए. Question number 15. Explain the demand pool and cost pool inflation. Cost post, sorry. Question number 16. Explain the objective and functions of the central bank. Question number 17. Write short notes. A. Production possibility curve. B. Law of demand. C. Fisher's equations. D. Functions of commercial bank. तो अगर ऐसा क्वेश्चन आया तो कोई भी दो लिखने को आएगा इसमें से. क्वेश्चन नंबर 18. What is the role of money in a mixed economy? Question number 19. What are the main functions of commercial banks? Question number 20. Explain the consumer's equilibrium with utility analysis. इसमें कुछ कुछ क्वेश्चन जो रिपीट है वो इसमें लिखा भी हुआ है और एक दो रिपीट है जो नहीं भी लिखा है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 21. Critically explain the cash balance approach of quantity theory of money. Question number 22. How does the central bank control the credit and money of the country? Discuss them briefly. Question number 23. What are the main causes and effects of inflation? Question number 24. What are the main factors influencing the supply of money? तो ये सब क्वेश्चन इंपॉर्टेंट है. जो हम बता दिए वो क्वेश्चन रिपीट भी हुए हैं. ये PDF और क्वेश्चन और आंसर का भी PDF जो है वो टेलीग्राम ग्रुप में डाल देंगे, तो आप लोग चेक कर लीजिएगा. ये जितने भी क्वेश्चन थे सबका आंसर उसमें मिलेगा. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग. वीडियो को लाइक करिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए.